So, I've been working on a project for a while now, something I believe can actually change the way people think and build their lives. And I want to make one thing very clear from the start. I'm not trying to sell a course. I'm not trying to make money off of this. I'm trying to change lives, and I'm doing this completely for free. The project is called the Self-Improvement Bible. It's a full system for leveling up life. And here's what most people don't understand. This is not motivation. This is not random advice. It's a system. It's a step-by-step guide to rebuild your life from zero. Now here's how it works. There are 7 episodes, 7 core areas of life, and 1 complete transformation system. Every episode is 1 building block, and I'll be posting 1 episode every day. And now here are the 7 sections. Now the first one is nutrition. It's the foundation for your energy, your fuel, and your discipline. Now the gym. It's for your body and your confidence. It gives you strength, physique, and self-respect. Now dopamine. So for motivation and discipline, it helps you learn to control impulses and break addictive loops. Now phone detox, so focus control. It helps you remove distractions and take back your attention. Now sleep, the energy multiplier. It helps you with recovery, performance, and mental clarity. Now the routine, so the consistency system. It helps you structure your day and build identity. And your mindset, so identity and thinking. So your beliefs, your self-image, and how you see yourself long-term. And now here's the truth. You don't change your life in one day. You change it by systems. So here's how you use this course. Watch in order, apply every section, build 1 layer at a time, no skipping, no excuses. And finally, if you master all 7, you don't just improve, you transform. So thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.